friend. So, can we leave in 15 minutes?
You want to go sit down now?
Why do you want to leave? I don't know, I'm cold. Your mom's waiting for us. We've been gone for like 4 hours already.
Someone videotape me. I'm going to go down.
I'll videotape. Oh my God. I'm a good videotaper. Alright, honey, go ahead. See, why don't you go? Oh, because I'm scared. Come on, see. I'm cold and I don't have the right boots and I don't have snow pants on. Are you crazy? They're wet already. I'm so cold.
At least you made it down there.
This board goes fast.
Even look.
I'm just not feeling it today, man. I don't even want to go on the sled.
Let's go!
Like candy. Let's take you to the candy.
Andrew, come on, you gotta go down.
Kevin's gotta go.
Here, I'll take over.
I can't because I need his board.
Oh, okay. You need
Come on, Kevin, I need your board.
Look up, look up, look up, look up. It's okay, Kevin. Get up. Come on. Good job, Kevin. You're doing good. Come on. Wipe out.
This little snowboard goes so freaking fast. It feels like you're just going